Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Google Chrome's language. So all you have to do is go to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome to the three dots, click on that, and then go down to settings. And then in settings, all you're going to have to do is go to the top and type in language. And then you've got your language list right here. So for me, I have English United States and English like Great Britain. And then you've also got Google Translate down here that will change your language, foreign languages into your native language. And you can also add automatic languages right here. And then down below you can make it so it never translates, and that says it right here. So to add your language, it's just right up here. You can just change this. You can go move down. You're going to want your number one language to be at the top. So if I go in here and I add Italian, so I've got Italian in here now, and all you have to do is go to the three dots on the side and move to the top. So now when I close, actually you have to go right here and do display Google Chrome in this language. So now I've got Italian, and you just have to relaunch it. So now my Google Chrome is in Italian. I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.